Need to switch carriers but keep your number? First, you'll need a transfer PIN from Cricket Wireless. This PIN authorizes the number transfer. You can quickly get it through the My Cricket app or website. Look for the account settings or number porting section. Alternatively, dial 611 from your Cricket phone to contact customer service. Have your account details ready. Remember, the PIN is temporary, so use it promptly when signing up with your new carrier. Getting this PIN is the crucial first step to move your number. With your Cricket Wireless transfer PIN ready, select your new carrier and start the sign-up process online or in-store. During sign-up, provide your transfer PIN and Cricket phone number when prompted. The PIN authorizes the secure transfer. Your new carrier will initiate the porting process, which typically completes in 1 to 2 business days under FCC regulations. Keep your Cricket account active during this time to prevent any service interruptions. Once porting is complete, your Cricket SIM will deactivate. Activate your new carrier's SIM and test calls, texts, and data to ensure everything works. This process allows you to switch carriers seamlessly while keeping your phone number.